Now, Bob. Beautiful. Yay! First coat. Just need another 2 or 3. It'll look nicer when it's dry. You know, adding a splash of colour. The window frames are going to be blue, baby. It's actually called Cool Azure. Cool Azure blue. So the bathroom window is going to be that colour inside and outside, and the actual window. And the window frames around the house are going to be blue. And we're putting on this stuff here right now, closing up those gaps. These two are going to be staying open as windows. And these 3 are going to be windows because Kitty's bed is going to be like, where are we? There's a window just above there. Her bed's going to be like this height, just above that window there. So she has ventilation, hot air comes up and out of those windows. The bed is going to be sitting actually on top of that, well, the bed, no, the platform. It's going to be across here. So the bed's going to be up there. That window, that's going to be closed, so I have those 2 windows there and those 3 windows there. Her cupboard is going to start from here, and we're just basically going to put a door, you know, put 2 double door there, so that whole area is going to be a cupboard. Bathroom, toilet's going to go there. Drain for the shower is there. Here I've got like a big 2-inch piece of wood, which is going to, big slab, it's going to go across here. Tap comes up here. The shower is going to be here. It comes from the other side, we drill holes through, so we don't have the pipes here, the pipes come through the wall. And yeah, this is going to be blue inside as well, the window. And all this is going to be blue. And the whole bathroom is white, very soft white, soft matte white. That's the bathroom. And this is the house. That's what Kitty's there. The kitchen goes here. We've got all the tiles for the whole floor. I've got the tiles for the bathroom there, and that's a special grout. Not grout, the cement, special cement for these tiles. These are glazed porcelain tiles. Look like that. I'm upside down now. There's a gecko there. Anyway, that's what those look like. And these are bamboo for the roof. So they're going to be, all those panels will all be covered in bamboo. That'll all be closed with these. Also, those sides will be closed with bamboo, except that's window. Yeah, window, and 2 of those are window. We just ran out of this stuff, so we have to order 1 more too. There's that, and it's a big double door. Like you saw the doors, that's one. It's not been sanded yet, and this has been sanded and oiled 2 times with teak oil, so it's nice. And so Kitty's already moved in, her computer and stuff. So she sits here and plays all the time. Oh yeah, so this 1 coat. So these are going to be blue out here, these windows. Those contrast to the red. So it's 1 coat, it's a little bit thin, but You get the idea. And then that's the bathroom window. That's going to be blue on the inside and possibly the outside, but all the other windows are going to look like this, inside and outside. Oh, there's me in there.